Welcome to JH. Lately, the name bulkperks.com has been popping up everywhere, leaving people wondering what the catch is. The site claims you can get paid to review products and even snag a $500 Costco gift card just for joining. Because as we all know, the internet is a magical place where strangers hand out hundreds of dollars just for your opinion on a toaster. But is it actually legit? Let's break it down before you trade your personal data for a gift card that probably doesn't exist. The first red flag is the registration. This site was apparently registered in November 2025, which makes it either a time traveler or just another fly-by-night operation with zero track record. Then there's the user experience. When you click this Start Now button to claim your rewards, it sends you to a completely different, unrelated page. It's like walking into a bank and being redirected to a clown college. Totally confusing and a massive red flag for anyone with common sense. Next, let's talk about their social life, or the complete lack thereof. We couldn't find any official profiles. No Facebook, no Instagram, not even a stray post on X. Apparently, they're far too busy paying out rewards to bother with a basic digital footprint. Legitimate brands usually enjoy existing in public, so this disappearing act is a bit of a worry. To make matters worse, there's no contact info, no privacy policy, and no clear company details. It's basically a digital ghost ship, and you're the guest who just realized there's no buffet. Finally, we checked external sites like Trustpilot and found absolutely nothing. No reviews, no ratings, and zero feedback from real human beings. Based on the misleading redirects and the total lack of transparency, bulkperks.com looks highly suspicious. Unless you enjoy shouting your personal information into a void, it's best to steer clear until a reliable source proves otherwise. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on how to avoid the internet's latest too good to be true traps.